So, hey everyone, welcome back to our cybersecurity series. So, today's topic is one of the most exciting because we are going to explore the future of cybersecurity. But before we begin, let me ask you something. How many smart devices are around you right now? Maybe your smartphone, maybe your smartwatch, your smart TV, your security camera, maybe your files are stored on Google Drive or iCloud as well. So, did you know all of these can become targets of cyber attacks? Let's find out how. Today, we don't just protect computers, we protect everything that connected to the internet. Let's start with cloud security. Imagine renting a locker at a bank to keep your important documents. The locker isn't inside your house, but you still expect it to be safe. That's exactly what the cloud is. Instead of storing your photos, your files, your company data on your own computer, they are stored on powerful servers somewhere else. If those systems are not protected properly, so your private information could be at risk. So now let's talk about IoT, which stands for Internet of Things. Sounds complicated, but it's actually very simple. Any everyday device that connects to the internet is called an IoT device. Smart speaker, smart lights, even a baby monitor. So they are designed to make a life easier. But if they are not secure, so they can also become an easy entry point for an attacker. Now imagine you are a detective. Instead of waiting for a crime to happen, you are looking for clues before anything goes wrong. That's exactly what threat hunting is. So, cybersecurity professionals actively search for unusual activity inside a network before it turns into a real cyber attack. And if they find something suspicious, so they quickly stop it. So, this is called mitigation. So, taking action to reduce or eliminate the threat before it causes damage. So, here's today the biggest takeaway cybersecurity is no longer just about protecting computers. It's about protecting everything connected to the internet. So the smarter our world becomes, the smarter our security needs to be. So want to learn cloud security, IoT security, threat hunting, and many more real-world cybersecurity skills through hands-on labs and practical scenarios. So join Sky States today and start building the skills companies are looking for. And if you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, share, and comment what topic you would like to learn next. And subscribe and for more simple and practical cybersecurity content. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.